Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Content Views plugin in WordPress. Let's begin by installing it. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, select Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type Content Views and press Enter. You'll see the plugin appear. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable it. This simple, two-step process gets you ready to create stunning content displays in just a few moments, opening up a world of possibilities for showcasing your posts and pages. Now that Content Views is active, let's create your first display. In your WordPress dashboard, find Content Views in the left sidebar and click Add New. Here, you'll define what content to show. You can choose to display posts, pages, or even custom post types. Next, use the powerful filtering options to select specific content. For example, you might want to show only posts from a particular category or articles with a certain tag. This precise control ensures your view displays exactly what you intend, making your website more organized and user-friendly for your visitors. With your content selected, it's time to customize its appearance. Content Views offers several display layouts, including a classic list, a dynamic grid, or an elegant masonry style. You have full control over what information is visible for each item. Decide whether to show the post title, a short excerpt, the featured image, or even the author's name. Furthermore, you can fine-tune the aesthetics by adjusting colors, font sizes, and spacing, ensuring your content view seamlessly integrates with your site's overall design. This level of detail allows for a truly unique and professional presentation. Finally, let's get your beautiful content view onto your website. Content Views generates a unique shortcode for each view you create. Simply copy this shortcode and paste it into any post, page, or widget area where you want your content to appear. For those using page builders, the plugin often provides direct integration, allowing for easy drag-and-drop placement. Don't forget to explore advanced options like pagination, which lets you display 10 or 20 posts per page, and various sorting methods. You can even add custom CSS for pixel-perfect adjustments, giving you complete creative freedom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.